How to decorate a ballet party. Hello everyone, welcome to the Cookie Couture. We will show you how to decorate a ballet party. Let's get started. We will be reusing dead pointe shoes to decorate a ballet graduation party. For most grad parties, it is common to see a timeline of school pictures. One way you can do this is by making a photo banner. In our case, we used a mix of ballet and school pictures, since I started dancing since I was 3 years old. We used a pair of pointe shoes to hold a nutcracker banner on a high wall. We displayed some of my recital costumes on a coat rack, as well as my Letterman jacket. We also made a display of some of my awards and items of the college where I was accepted to. These brand new pointe shoes in the middle are representing a new beginning, college. We put up a lot of balloons, and we used the heavy dead shoes as balloon weights. If you still have a lot of dead pointe shoes, you can ask your friends to write down some words of wisdom on your pointe shoes. And last but not least, the Cookie Couture cookies were delicious and present at my grad party. I hope you liked this video on how to decorate a ballet party using pointe. Please subscribe and share with your friends and family.